know somebody gonna be like, I thought she was bald. And is. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by YWigs. They sent me some hair to try for you guys. Are these braids on my natural hair? Wait a minute. I know somebody gonna be like, I thought she was bald. And is. This is another crochet style on my natural hair, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it in under an hour. Listen, if you wanna get a little change up in here, here we go. But before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this hair comes to us from YWigs. All the specs for my hair is right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I will be installing boho braids crochet style. I do have PCOS, which does cause male pattern baldness, hair loss, hair thinning around my edges and around my crown area. I am working on that, and my hair is actually, it's been doing its thing. Okay, I'm back on my meds, and I have been using my lifter method. Now, if my doctor prescribed medication, it does not make my hair grow back, but it can help decrease the amount of hair that I lose every time I brush and comb my hair. I'm also taking over-the-counter vitamins that I feel like is helping my hair along with my lifter method. From January to June to now, this time my hair is looking. Can y'all see the difference? I see the thickness in the back of my hair coming back. I see my edges growing back in. My hair is just, it's doing what it needs to do. I'm still teetering with maybe cutting my hair off. I don't know. I'm not there yet. So until we get there, we're gonna keep playing with what I got. Because my hair is still thin in the middle, I don't wanna put any extra tension on it. So we're gonna do the Crochet Cap method for this install. I washed my hair 2 days ago, and King greased my scalp for me. These little teeth against my scalp feel real good, y'all. Woo-wee. My bald spot, you know, is getting covered up by the hair in the front because that's growing, and the hair filling in around here. Let me get my glasses off. And I'm gonna part this across so you guys can see the middle. That was a bald spot right there, so that's filling in. Y'all remember when all this was thin? But y'all can see that starting to fill in a bit. Now, I don't know how long she's gonna last like that. Like I told y'all before, my hair will start to grow and then it'll just fall out. Hopefully, me leaving it alone will keep my hair together. I'm also still using that those Estra products. So last time I washed my hair was when I used the Estra products, and then I used that again this time. I'm gonna keep using those and seeing if that helps. For the front, I'm just gonna cornrow it back. I don't want them to be super small. I wanna kind of make them the same width as the braid, so it makes sense when I put these in. But I'm gonna put them at an angle because my forehead is big and I can't be having these bad boys straight back like that. Get some edge control, smooth that in. And I'm just gonna cornrow this hair. So I got my hair cornrow like this, and then I just twisted the ends. I didn't cornrow it all the way down because the plan is to tuck my hair under my wig cap, but then add the crochet to this part. Let me see if it'll actually work though. I'm picking the ones that have a big enough hole, so I don't gotta fight with it. Crochet it to the ends. Bring it through. Come on, there we go. Taking my time, make sure I don't rip my daggone hair out. So about 10 minutes to cornrow, 10 minutes to put these on here. Before I wrap it down, I'm gonna add some edge control to my edges. Brush this out. Go get my scarf out of my room, please. Let me swoop down my edges, cause you know, I look like I got some. Bring this to the back, like so. Tie it down, like this. I'll go ahead and do my 5-minute face, come back, add the wig, and we'll be good to go. Okay, be right back. Okay, so makeup is done. Now we need to get the wig part on. Ooh, cute. Very, very cute. Very, very flat, as much as it can be since it's, you know, it's crochet. I'm gonna try to hide those knots when I put the wig on. I need to put on my wig caps. I'm gonna use a black one. Hold it right up against the back of the cornrows. And then I'm gonna put on a wig grip. I know I have a black one, hold up. Oh, there it is, there it is. Just so it has something to grip on against. I'll take my wig. I'm gonna put it on like this on top of the wig grip. Uh-oh, hold up. And make sure it's sitting right. Let me fold in the band because I don't want that showing. Now make sure you are aware of where you're stopping your cornrows. If you stop them too far back, you won't have enough head. Make your wig sit straight. Bring that to the back. Bring that down like that. Bring that back to the back. Here we go. Hold up, that band is not gonna stay. Let me use my tried and true. This one is better. And if you want to add clips to your wig, you can definitely do that as well. I could leave it down, but I think I want to do an up style today. Let me bring it forward, bring it up like that. I'm gonna wrap it. Now the band is not perfect because again, I put my cornrows a little bit too far back. If you have combs like this, you can actually put it into the crochet cap so you don't have to use bobby pins. But I didn't add combs to my wig today just because I wanted to go ahead and get this done. So I'm gonna use a bobby pin once I find them. Put that band under and attach it to my wig grip. Like that. It's not pulling because again, it's attached to my wig grip. To finish off, I'm gonna add me some oil sheen. And that is pretty much it for the look. Hey y'all, so here is the final look. What are we thinking? My forehead is out, but you know, that's okay. That's okay. The ponytail, the front braids, my wig grip is keeping the hair anchored to my head, okay? It's not going nowhere. Somebody try to snatch it, I'm going with it, okay? Because this is my hair right here. It's not that heavy, but in order for it to sit where it needs to sit on my wig cap, it wasn't gonna stay without my bobby pins or this ponytail style. So that's why I did it like this. Again, I didn't leave enough head space in the back for my wig to sit properly on top of my head. So make sure again, you have it further, a little bit over halfway of your head. So pretty much like that middle part of your ear. I ain't too worried about it though, because I still came out with a cute style. So, you know, the hair is full. I like how it feels. It just looks, it looks pretty good. This is very beginner friendly. If you know how to cornrow. If you don't know how to cornrow, you might want to do something else with your front. Some of the knots on the crochet braids are a little tight, so you will need to stretch those out. The hair is really soft. I'm not getting no shedding or tangling with the hair just yet. I am getting a couple snags in the hair when I rake through it. But for me, I don't plan on raking my fingers through this hair like that. So I ain't too worried about the snags or the tangling. If it was like, you know, causing knots and like a lot of matting around here, then I'll be worried. But for the most part, she's sitting nice and I like how the hair is looking. How many braids I have left? Out of 4 packs of 40, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 pieces left. So I use 154 of my crochet braids to do this style. If you don't want to sit in the chair for 8-10 hours to get your boho braids done, but you do have an hour to spare, right here. Listen, crochet, okay. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to YWigs for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this hair down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.